Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu, and in the past 24 hours the small pullback we did have is actually hinting towards a very interesting pattern that it is starting to form in the 1 hour chart, which could hint towards a very extreme bullish movement that might come in very soon. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video just to show everyone how strong the Shiba army really is. Let's go for 174 likes. So if we smash that would be incredible. But other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart that Shiba Inu has started to form in the past 72 hours, because this is going to give us a really good indication in terms of what is happening in the near future with Shiba Inu. You guys can see after the initial spike down we had over here, we had an extreme recovery. The same thing happened again, so we had a spike down, very quick recovery, and the same thing was starting to form. And that's when we predicted that it was starting to form a very interesting triangle, which is obviously a symmetrical triangle. But you can see in the past 24 hours, this line that we did have is usually the reason why we actually broke out of the symmetrical triangle and made it all the way low as 61, which is 0.0061. If you do not know the big reason behind this, the big reason was an oversold by one of the whales. The whale decided to put $1.2 billion worth of Shiba Inu back into the market, which caused the spike down. But you can see it recovered very quickly in the same hour, so I'm believing that a lot of people decided to buy in as well. If we look at the RSI line, you can see we're getting very close to the bottom, which is the oversold period. If you do not know, this is actually really good. If we get into the overbought, that means we are in an extreme bull run. If we get closer to the oversold period, that is the time a lot of people like to follow the RSI, especially the whales. So that is the time that the whales like to buy back in. So at this point in the next 24 hours, it will be very interesting to see where we end off, because a lot of whales will decide to go ahead and walk into the Shiba Inu back in and try to make much profit. If they do decide to have an extreme buys, we might be actually starting to form an uptrend. If there is a huge buy that walks in, which we will not be able to anticipate, then we'll go into an extreme bull run and break all the way to 10,000 or 0.0001, which is obviously deleting a zero. But you can see that this was the big sale that caused it to spike down, and a lot of people decided to panic sell, because you can see that there's also sales on the other side of it. Now if you guys do not know what panic selling is when you see a red spike and you get scared that Shiba Inu or any crypto in general is going to crash, and you decide to sell without actually doing any sort of research. Now that is really bad, because you will lose profit for yourself, and you will also get a lot of other people to lose profit, and you do not want that. Now at this point you guys can see a lot of people did make that mistake, and straight away there was a lot of people that decided to buy back in. So keep in mind, panic selling only makes you lose money and a lot of other people. So if you do not know what to do, the best thing to do is put your phone away and decide later. That's just my personal opinion. Holding is the best option when you do not know where to go from here. At this point it just seems to be doing really well, and we're forming a very strong support. If you just remember, as I talked about the strong support that we are forming right now, when we do have the next bull run, this support will be the one that will protect us from completely crashing. You guys know October is coming to an end, and this is the time by the end of the month where they do like to have a small pullback. November is going to be very big for cryptocurrency, and especially meme tokens, including Shiba Inu. So now it is that wait and watch type of situation. One thing I do want to mention is Robinhood has still not announced that they will allow trading of Shiba Inu, so that could be a big factor that will cause in November there to be an extreme bull run. So there's a lot of factors still yet to come in, and there's a lot of things that actually also happened on Twitter, which I want to show you. So the first thing I want to show you guys came from Shiba Inu News. Update: Coinbase is now listing Shiba in their main description for the app. So if you actually go on your iPhone or Android phone and you actually decide to search up Coinbase to download the application, you can see it says trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and Shiba Inu. that is insane because they're using Shiba Inu to promote themselves. It just shows how much power the Shiba army really has at this point, and it's just incredible. It's just promoting Shiba Inu as well, because a lot of people have heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum. A lot of new people will be like, what is SHIB? And they decide to search it up. They see the value and they're like, oh my god, there's an insane community backing it up. Decide to buy into it. So it's really good for Coinbase and the Shiba army. Now, something very interesting and sad at the same time is 5,000 SHIB owners bought it at all-time low, now holding at 1,000% unrealized profit. Now, the reason I said this is a little sad is because they bought it at an all-time low. They have 1,000% unrealized profit. If you do not know what unrealized profit is they have not taken anything out. Now, what I personally don't like about this is, I understand you want to make profit, that's completely okay. But what I personally like to do is, if you have 1,000% return, take your initial investment out, put it into a USDT or BUSD, and then you can decide later and just keep the profit in, so you do not end up losing everything if there is anything bad that happens. But overall, I'm really happy for the 5,000 people because they bought it at an all-time low and are making insane profit at this point. Now, talking about boy Steven Cooper. Steven, if you do not know who he is the co-owner, Bigger Entertainment, and creator of Shiburner. Now, what is interesting is, alright guys, I'm taking a break for the evening. We have burned 80 million Shiba in the last 8 days, and you can actually go ahead and search it up. Now, you need to understand, whenever the supply goes down for any cryptocurrency, what happens is the demand stays the same, so the price decides to go up, and that is exactly what our boy Steven is trying to do. Burn as many Shiba he can so he can go ahead and help increase the price. Just in the past 8 days, they have burned 80 million, which in real life money at this point would be close to $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu being burnt. Now, moving on, Shiba Inu now accepted as a payment at a French Baristo in Paris. Now, Paris, you guys know, is the most popular, if not the most popular city in the whole world, and Paris has a Baristo that is accepting Shiba Inu as a form of payment. If you want to go get some food, you can go ahead and do so using Shiba Inu, which is incredible. And whenever there are small transactions such as this one starting to happen with any cryptocurrency, it just helps it grow very quickly. Now, talking about CoinSquare, you guys know, a very big trading platform inside of Canada. They just started accepting Shiba Inu, so you can go ahead and hold Shiba, or you can actually go ahead and purchase it, trade it on their currency, and just their platform is doing incredible. And seeing them add Shiba Inu is really good because more people will have access to actually trading Shiba, and that is really good. Now, talking about the price prediction, the meme token underlook a bullish price action from 23rd October after it was listed on multiple exchanges, and over the last week the price oscillated in the uptrend and bounced between the trend line as the crypto noted 116% gain. The altcoin traded close to 732, and Shiba Army found a support at 61. The RSI preferred the buyers but displayed a decreasing trend in favor of sellers. So at this point, it is just the holding power and the buyers that will help us keep climbing. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'm out. Peace.